All right, this is showcase time for myself. I just want to, I'm just trying to put together a Discord where we can do, anybody could come and do a showcase. So I'm just doing an example of a showcase. And yeah, so let's get started. This is an NFT. It's on the Rinkeby test network, so everything here is for inspirational only. But everything is functional. Anyone could try and buy an NFT. I just bought my favorite one here um, while I was testing it, and my other favorite one here is uh, the Eye Dragon Wing. So, oops, I'm buying it. And on the Rinkeby, it's pretty quick to show up and say, oh, you just got that, and you just got the NFT here. See, pending, local host, 3,000, and we're gonna let it happen. And there we go. It's bought. So to continue on the showcase, I got a few more projects. I got a BottleSwap Factory project to show off. You unlock the wallet, and voila, you're in your wallet. I've been you know, I'm a developer, so I've been staking for some time. You actually need some bottle caps to stake in this project, right? And let's see here, harvest. We can harvest. And I'm going to show you in just a few seconds after I just let this run through where you can get some bottle caps, even on Rinkeby. I have a Ether exchange, a BottleCap Ether exchange. So there we go. I just harvest. And to actually extract them into your wallet, because you can go here, you can go your wallet, and it'll show how much you have. I have 1 billion. 9 numbers is a billion. All right. All for fun and inspirational. Don't get jealous. This is Rinkeby. Anyone wants some ball caps, I could send them some your way easy. And no problem, for free. So let me know in Discord. And let's continue on the showcase. So we went to the ball cap swap. Like I said, you need some ball caps. If you want to test it out, you just come here, deposit some Rinkeby Ether, and I left some for sale here. You can buy them, and they're the price that I offer them, right? So I'm the bookmaker here. So for this project, for the moment, for fun, for inspirational. All right, so that's my Ether exchange here. Continue on the showcase. We have, showcase OpenC. That's just before I press on OpenC. In the contract at the bottom, it's a bit hiding. I'm just going to press on it. See, this is the Rinkeby contract, smart contract, and did I press 26? Okay, there we go. So the contract down here has been created a while back, 5 days ago, according to this video. It might be more when you watch the video, but anyways, that's what it is. And it's minted 24 Yeah, mint in 24. And as you can see, there was two bought. Those two that the minter, ID number 17 and ID number, we can check that pretty quick. ID number 8. And the other one, ID number 17. And voila, it's all recorded, registered for till the sun don't shine no more and the rivers don't flow. And yeah, so let's continue on. I have one last project to show off. That's an AI Bitcoin fair price predictor. It's made I could set up any assets, but I'm using Bitcoin versus USDT from the Binance exchange. It's time series, so to get it started, I just start it. In 1 minute, it's gonna run every minute. It's gonna clip 500 pieces of data every minute. So now I just pressed on the insert train data right now, so it's snapshot right now, 500 pieces of data, and inserted in the brain, and the brain did its work. It output the data that I set them up for to output. And let's go down to the chart number 4 to help understand visually what could be happening here. It takes a little bit of time. It's 1 minute, right? So to get a chart going, you got to give it some time. And so as time goes by, things happen. So meanwhile, let's take a look. Predicted open is the red. I'm going to be showing that. Predicted open red and the latest open. So the real latest open price right now is here and the close is here. So we have a red bar, right? Okay. From open to close, it went down. That's red bar. And I coded my colors this way. So here we have, like, if you look here, we have green close here, red down here. So that means we have a green bar, close bar. And just with these two data sets, we can see that the green bar crossed over a few lines. It crossed over the predicted close. It crossed over the average. This orange line is the average of the high, the open, the low, and the close. It's that simple. It's just the center part, which I use to subtract all lines to. Okay? I subtract all the lines that I wish. Like right here, all these lines have been subtracted to this line, making it a zero line, right? But basically, you can see trend force and stuff like that with time between how the AI feels about the price and how the market actually reacts in the time. So you can't go against the market. You sort of have to always be readjusting. Your strategies have to be readjusting. So this is why I'm trying to build with time, with compartmentalization, how to say that word, with risk management behind at the back of my head. And so we could be like a strategy that could be sort of readjusting, right, to the situation. No matter what strategy is winning, losing, my bot or this bot could somewhat like readjust, like on the minute. He's readjusting, he's relearning, he's being reforce trained on the spot. And presently, I don't have a time step on it, just force train. And I'm doing a test where I'm snapshotting the snapshot, if I repeating myself, is how to say 500 piece of data is entering it every minute. And so it's accumulating every minute an extra snapshot with an extra piece of latest data minus a piece of latest data. So he's got like two snapshots with two NPs, just a bit different. So minute by minute, he's got the whole 9 yards. So I don't have to give him time step for the moment because it's like the memory is being repushed into the brain constantly. So in the future, maybe I will want to maybe change that snapshot 500 piece of data piece, use some time step to the brain. There's other functions that we can tweak with the brain. I'm keeping things simple for the moment. And as you can see like a bit of a trend pattern here. Yellow is the market high and low, so it's the actual market feeling. So when you subtract the high and the low together, it gives you the volatility of what the market feels. So right now at this point here, you got a high volatility in the market, and this is the brain's prediction of the market. So you can see that the brain readjusts pretty quick to what happens, and so he's readjusting. And I include like the predictions of the high, neural network high, Vista market latest. Interesting, right? So market, the predictor averaged out with its own high. I don't mix up like high and low this way, so that creates patterns. And there's I could go on and on here. As you can see, we literally have a downtrend. So if we go look at the price close, there we go. We're totally under the brain. It's core line and high and close and low. And we can actually see he opens under here, resistance on the clothesline. He crosses down through his own latest. So the brain records all this so we can sort of see where the trend is. And now I have a Discord. So anyone who's interested in this type of big data analytic, you're welcome to connect to the server here, to my Discord server, and show off some of your projects. Doesn't matter if they're half broken, or maybe other people could help out. And all right, everyone. See you guys on the flip side.